Hi, so we have a board here that when I create a new item, it will create a folder within SharePoint in a particular place. And we have this configured so that when we click on the item, it loads the place in SharePoint. And you can see this, and we can open this in the browser, and you get a link directly to SharePoint. So you can see that when it creates it with the hello video and the item number. So this is the item name, the item number. But what if you wanted a slightly different name? So Monday allows you to create an item ID column. I'm just going to put that there. Just going to drag it over. And you can customize the item ID. If we go into settings, we can say we want a custom key. So I'm going to start this with that. And you can see the examples here. So now you can see that all our items have item ID column, and actually we're going to call this project code, because let's say that each item is a project. So it'd be really nifty to be able to rename the folder to, say, the project code followed by the item name, and we can do this. If we go into create automation, we can say when status changes to something, and I've got a status column, and I've already got one that says add project code to the folder name, and then do this. So we're looking for a SharePoint one, so it's this one. And this is when status changes to something, rename the configured SharePoint folder to something. And we can say, you know what, we want the item's project code followed by the item's name. And create the automation. Close that. So now, if we go into this one and select add project code, it's going to run that automation, rename the folder. So now when we open this up, we can see the project code and the item name. And if we look over in SharePoint, we can see that that's been updated over here. Thanks.